Part 10, a day, a whole bunch of failures. This is the motor controller I ordered, pulse width modulation, high amps. It should handle everything pretty easily. I hooked it up, I tested it, I sent pulse width modulation signals to backwards. Nothing. This thing, you can see the signals changing here. This thing never moved, my little test motor. Didn't matter what I did. I think it was faulty. So, here's our little breadboard configuration. It looks fancy, but these first two rows are just power. Picks it up from the controller, picks it up from the USB. That's most of my wires right there. So don't be too impressed. There's the RC receiver. Sending the one signal. Alright, plan B is relays. Open the thing and close the thing. I never heard a click though, so I pulled out my meter to test it. When this light changes, I should hear a beep. Nothing. Nothing. I ordered a pack of 5 of these. Not a single one worked. So I looked at the wiring diagram. 5 volts does it. That's what I was sending. There's no reason these things shouldn't work. And I ordered 5 of these things. Every one was a failure. And then I tried it with the little cheap other brand I had. Worked no problem. Same code. So before I changed over to that, I'm going to try this motor controller. It's a little bit smaller amps. Just got to change the code a bit to see if I can handle this. I'm not sending pulse width. I'm sending open close. Backwards or forward. I just got to change 2 little points. That code ain't even that long. Don't be impressed at all. So let's see. I got our lights on, controller lights on, RC receiver lights on, and our test motor is not moving, which is supposed to do. Turn it on. There's the movement we're waiting for. Perfect. If I hit the button, it should reverse. There it is. Great. This is exactly what I wanted to do. And if I hit the power off on the controller, it should completely stop. Bam. Wow. Took all day, but we got it. I like these little nanos. These things are so cute. Look how tiny they are. Well, now that we got our wiring diagram, I'm going to make it permanent. Going to solder everything to the board. I don't want this rattling loose because I'm going to be hitting bumps. I'm going to be off-road. The dogs are going to be jumping up and down. Everything needs to be glued and soldered into place. Because trust me, if it can go wrong, it will go wrong. Just like today. Which is a reminder, don't let the failures get you down. Keep trying. There's always another way. Alright, I got this wired up. Let's see if it works. Yep, retracts and goes back. Ready for tomorrow and put it together.